You ever watch a political firestorm start before anyone even lights the match? Well, that's exactly what just happened in Washington. A healthcare plan no one has seen, no one has voted on, and no one was even briefed on, has already blown up Trump's own party. Before President Trump could step on camera and announce his new healthcare proposal, Republicans across Capitol Hill were already slamming it. Not quietly, not privately, but loudly, online, on camera, and in full frustration. Why? Because the White House's draft plan, leaked before it was finalized, includes something conservatives have spent years fighting against: an extension of enhanced Obamacare subsidies. To many on the right, that wasn't just a policy disagreement. It felt like a betrayal. Michael Cannon from the Cato Institute didn't sugarcoat it. He said, "What this means is Republicans will be expanding Obamacare." It's really disheartening. Human connection layer. And here's the emotional core of this story. Behind the political noise, 22 million Americans rely on these subsidies. Families who are already struggling with rising grocery bills. Parents juggling rent, childcare, and prescriptions they can't afford. Adults with chronic illnesses who wake up every morning praying their premium doesn't go up again next year. If those subsidies vanish at the end of December, millions of Americans could face premium hikes so steep they'd knock the wind out of their budgets. Both parties know this, and that's why this issue isn't just political, it's personal. Context and details engaging and clear. So what actually happened? The White House drafted a temporary 2-year extension of ACA subsidies, added new limits like income caps and required minimum payments, offered conservatives a long wish list of reforms, and even included incentives for Americans to use health savings accounts. But here's where things snapped. Republican lawmakers said they learned about the whole plan on social media. Not in a briefing, not in a meeting, not even in an email. One GOP member said the plan felt not very Trumpian. Another said they couldn't support any extension of Obamacare subsidies. And some conservatives saw the draft as the opposite of what Trump had publicly promised: direct funding to Americans, not insurance companies. Meanwhile, Democrats rejected the entire framework, saying Republicans were dodging a simple solution. Just extend the subsidies, nothing more, nothing less. Senator Ron Wyden didn't hold back. Republicans have chosen ideological crusades over lowering costs for Americans. Emotional resolution, reflection. And here's where the story lands. Trump wants a historic healthcare win, something that delivers affordability and choices before the midterms. Republicans want a plan that doesn't expand Obamacare. Democrats want a clean renewal with no additional restrictions. And millions of Americans, they just want relief, stability, peace of mind. But Washington is stuck in a standoff, one where families' health costs hang in the balance. A deadline is ticking. A political storm is growing. And before Trump even speaks, his own party is already divided. This is the new battle line in America's fight over health care. And it's only the beginning.